If you want to use Comstice Mobile Softphone for Finesse or as a Cisco Jabber replacement on the mobile, you can always host it on your network like any other Comstice product. It is secure and does not use any SIP, so you don't need Expressway, MRA or any advanced security tools. But in some cases, your security teams are not happy to open any firewall ports to the public internet. Comstice Mobile Softphone solution can be hosted at Comstice Cloud, a SOC 2 and ISO certified hosting platform with high availability. We can have a site-to-site VPN and make the deployment much faster. You can still retain the call recording and the other key components of the Comstice mobility on your network, but the main entry to the solution will be via Comstice Cloud. We have a comprehensive data sheet about this solution on comstice.com/mobility and also in the description of this video. Check out the link on the screen to learn more about the use cases of Comstice Mobile Softphone for business and request a callback.